going to study logarithms. Logs. Logarithmic functions are inverse of exponential functions. Now, what are exponential functions? This is a quadratic form. X raised power 2, x squared. This is a quadratic form. Number is in the power. Now what is exponential function? Variable is in the power. Base is a number and power is a variable. Whenever power is a variable, that is exponential form. Now this is the graph of exponential function, a general graph. It never touches the x-axis. Now coming to this graph, this summarizes the definitions, which says logarithmic functions are inverse of exponential functions. Now this is exponential function curve and this is logarithmic function curve, which is inverse of exponential function. Hence it is reflection in y equals to x line. Now coming towards here, there are three types of logs. First of all, a general log, which is like log base a to the power of x, like this. Then common log, which has base 10, log to the base of 10, which can also be written shortly LGX. Lastly, natural log, which is log to the base of e, which can also be written lnx. Now coming towards how can we change exponential function into logarithmic function. This a is base of exponential function. This a, this small a, is base of logarithmic function. So base remains same and x and y will interchange their positions. So now coming towards logarithmic, I am changing this exponential function into logarithmic function. So log base a, here base was a, base will remain same, x and y will change their positions, x will come towards this side, y will go in the power. So this is changed into logarithmic function. Same goes over here. 3 base over here, log base 3. Okay, x and 5 will change their positions. X will go to this side, 5 to the power. Now coming towards there, log to the base of 10. Okay, and x and p change their positions. Coming towards the last one, 2 is base in exponential function. So over here, log to the base of 2, 3 and x change their positions, and we have converted successfully from exponential function to logarithmic function. Laws of logarithm. Very important thing, very important thing which you need to understand. Okay, first law. Log of product is equal to the sum of their logs. Now for example, log base a, PQR. Now PQR, P multiplied by Q multiplied by R. So this is the product of P, Q and R. Now it will be equal to log base A. Log base A, base will remain same in all of them. Log base A of P plus Q plus R. Okay, so log of product is equal to sum of their logs. First law. Second law, log of quotient. When something is divided, like for example PQ, okay, PQ, P multiplied by Q, this is the product, and it is divided by R, so this is the quotient. Log of quotient is equal to the difference of their logs. Now in this case, in this example, log base a will remain same. P and Q are multiplied, hence they will be added, but R is divided, quotient, so negative sign, subtraction. Second law done. Log of quotient is equal to difference of their logs. Third law, power becomes coefficient and coefficient becomes power. In this case, this is the power, it becomes coefficient. Power becomes coefficient, it comes here, equal to n log base a p. Now in this case, this 2 is the coefficient, which becomes power of x, like here, x square. Over here, power becomes the coefficient, and in this case, coefficient becomes the power. This is third rule. Now coming towards fourth rule, change of base. Now this is something a bit complicated. Log, Q is base, P is power. Now I'm changing the base. I am placing a base A. Now when I will place base A, it will be log base A, power P divided by same base log base A Q. Base is remaining the same, power divided by base. Got it? Now another example. For example, log with base of 3, power 5. What is done over here? LG5 divided by LG3. Now why is, when we write LG, this means log to the base of 10. So base remains same, so power divided by base. Then I have calculated it in the calculator, so it becomes 1.46. I can do it log to the base of E as well. I can write ln 5 divided by ln 3. I can do it in that way as well. Now coming towards fifth law, fifth and last law. Now for example, this is our question and I have to solve it. Now I don't know how to solve log base of x. But I know how to solve log to the base of 10. So I need to bring this power into base. What will I do? I will take reciprocal. 1 divided by log, then what will happen? These both will interchange their position. Whenever I take any reciprocal of any log, what will happen? Base and power will interchange. Base and power will change their positions. For example, in this case, I have taken the reciprocal 1 divided by, so base becomes power and power becomes base. So log to the base of 10, and then I can solve the question. So these were laws of logarithm. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel, like the video, subscribe my channel and share it with your fellow students.